As the AI landscape continues to evolve at breakneck speed, a surprise bombshell has left the tech community reeling. Anthropic, a leading AI research firm, has announced the shutdown of two of its highly anticipated language models, Fable and Mythos, in response to a directive from the Trump administration. For those unfamiliar, Fable and Mythos were two AI models that have been making waves in the tech world due to their unprecedented capabilities in generating human-like text. With Fable, users could create custom AI assistants that could learn and adapt to their needs, while Mythos was touted as a revolutionary tool for generating original content. Both models had the potential to revolutionize industries such as customer service, content creation, and more. But on date, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei shocked the AI community by announcing that the company would be shutting down Fable and Mythos, citing the need to comply with a directive from the Trump administration. According to